Welcome back, my dear friends. In today's video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of transforming your small love story dream into a captivating movie, all thanks to the power of AI. Make sure to stick around until the end to catch every detail. You won't want to miss any crucial steps. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the heart of what we aim to explore in this video. First and foremost, you need the spark of an idea for your story. However, if you find yourself unsure of how to weave it into a complete narrative, fear not, as AI can be your creative companion. Simply share your initial thoughts and ask the AI to bring your story to life. To embark on this journey, open your Chrome browser, search for Chatgpt, and provide the necessary email access. Once set up, you can instruct the AI to craft a story based on the foundation you provide. Once you have the generated story, you can choose to either preserve it in your notebook app or take it a step further by transforming it into an action-packed narrative, possibly opening the door to earning money from your creative endeavors. If you're intrigued by the idea of taking your story to the next level and learning how to convert it into a compelling video, complete with AI-generated photos, then I invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. This way, you'll be promptly informed when I release the next part of this exciting journey. Stay tuned, and let's bring your creative visions to life together.